Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create a subtask in Asana. So let's get right into it. Firstly, to create a subtask, you need to create a task. So let's go ahead and create a task. Now, what you're going to want to do is create a new project first. Let's create a blank project named test, make list the default view, then click create a project, and as you can see, it's going to create a blank list where we can add our tasks. Let me just make a task. For some reason it's loading again. There we go. Test number 1, and now you want to click on it. Once you do that, as you can see, this menu will pop up, and you want to scroll down until you get to add subtask. You can very easily just click here and just make a title, for example, subtask number 1, and now that task is a subtask for this task. And you can click on view subtasks, and it'll take you here. As you can see, I have subtask 1. I don't know why the name didn't save, but now it should be saved. And if I go ahead, as you can see, subtask 1 has appeared here. If you have another task, right, like so, you can create task number 2 and then just drag it over to task number 1, or the task view for task number 1, and you can then drag it under subtasks and it'll be made as a subtask. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.